So let's talk about what is Pi Network. So what is Pi Network? So Pi Network is a cryptocurrency that you can earn using your phone, as I said, and it's made it so simple so that anyone, even without big technology, can actually mine. So it's like see, when Bitcoin started, it was very hard for the normal people, you and I, to get it. And that's why Pi was actually made. Bitcoin made it so hard for the normal person to get it because people with money went and rushed to buy Bitcoin. And when they started buying, the price started going so high. So what Pi has done different is that Pi has actually started the community. Pi started with the people down there. It started by rewarding them and building communities, letting them understand what cryptocurrency is, letting them love and grow this Pi network and grow within the community for 6 years. For 6 years before launching, Bitcoin launched without a community. Pi took 6 years to grow 70 million people, and I'm just jumping the gun. We're going there. So how does Pi work? So you download the Pi app, you sign up, and you just tap the button once to mine your coins. It is as simple as, believe you me, it sounds so insane to be that simple, but it is. It is that simple. You simply download the app, you sign up, and you tap that button. You see, it sounds so simple, which it is, but it is not. I have been doing this for the past 6 years, and I can tell you without butting my eyelid that it is not easy. It is not easy. Waking up each and every day, just tapping that button, my goodness, you will hate yourself. It is so hard being a human being. And you cannot automate this. You try to automate and your account might get banned because you need to prove that you're a human being. You need to wake up each and every day. So for the past 6 years, I have been waking up most of the time, not every time. This time I lost hope. So yeah, I didn't tap. So that's basically how it's as simple as that. Download, sign up, and tap daily. Yeah, you can use my invite code at XCNDella. XCNDella, I mean, XCNDella is down there on the comment section below in the description. Yeah, just sign up. So why is this so special? So why is Pi so special? So most cryptocurrencies need expensive computers, but Pi works on your phone and doesn't drain your battery. Now, this is a thing. When Bitcoin started, a lot of us were mining. We were mining Bitcoin using our computers, and then a lot of people started mining. It became so hard to mine Bitcoin. It became so expensive to even mine even 0.100. It is so hard and so expensive. It is so much electricity, so much processing power. It is so hard to mine. So the way Bitcoin is mined and the way Pi network and Pi coins are mined are totally different because Pi network uses a different mode of proof that you have a different mode of mining. It only requires you to come online and tap and make sure that you are within and networked with a lot of people. You bring in referrals. My head is flipping a bit. Yeah, and I'm not editing this. Yeah, so you bring in referrals and you add your network, and that's how you grow. When it comes to Bitcoin, you cannot refer people. You cannot grow your network. You just mine. You just mine alone. But when it comes to Pi network, you invite people, and your network is your net worth, and it's your strength at the end of the day. So why is it so special? Because it targeted people who, number one, couldn't afford the expensive rigs that you needed, the expensive computers that you need to mine Bitcoin. It went to the normal people like you and I who have smartphones that you can easily just tap and start mining. So that's how Pi changed the game. It targeted, first of all, it went and educated the people who didn't know anything about cryptocurrency, what cryptocurrency is, and it made it so simple. It introduced them to cryptocurrency with test coins, with test Pi network coins. And I remember we were given, I think, was it 100 or 1,000 coins to do the test runs and everything. I'm going to talk about it later on in the course. But that's what Pi did. It first of all trained people what Pi is. It trained people how to use Pi, the coins and all this stuff before launching, before the mainnet. So the mainnet is the launch. So where is Pi today? Where is Pi? So Pi has launched on the 20th of February. Today is the 27th. Tomorrow is the deadline, the 28th, when everything's going to get cut. I'm going to talk about that later on. So if you're watching this video after the 28th Eighth, my pie might have decreased significantly. I do not know. I'm also as curious as you. What's going to happen? I do not know. So, where is Pie Today? Pie has launched. The mainnet happened the 20th of February, and now has over 70 million people using Pie. It is crazy. It's worldwide, including many countries like Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Indonesia. China is very huge. I know Brazil is very huge. Venezuela is very huge. And I do not know where you're watching me from. Please comment below and put up your flag. I'm really curious to see them flags in the comment section below.